high desert of California, where some of the most important aircraft in aviation history have been built and flown. The next airplane destined to take its place among those aeronautical icons continues to take shape on a legendary factory floor. That airplane is NASA's X-59 QueSST, short for Quiet SuperSonic Technology, an experimental piloted aircraft designed to fly faster than sound without producing the annoying, if not sometimes alarming, sonic booms of previous supersonic aircraft. That factory is better known as the Skunk Works, a renowned Lockheed Martin division that for the past 76 years has used an out-of-the-box approach to design and manufacturing that has produced the nation's most advanced airplanes. Now that legacy continues as the company assembles the X-59 for NASA in Palmdale, California, where for the first time since the initial machine parts were delivered in November 2018, workers can see the familiar outline of an airplane forming. It's pretty obvious when you look at it on the production floor. You can see there's an aircraft starting to get built, said Craig Nickel, NASA's project manager for the X-59, which also is known as the Low Boom Flight Demonstrator. And with the recent completion in September of a major project milestone, known as the Critical Design Review, or CDR, the X-59 will rapidly accelerate its evolution from an airplane on paper toward an airplane ready to roll out of the factory and take flight. The CDR showed us the design was mature enough to continue into the next phase and essentially finish the assembly, Nickel said, noting the next milestone will come in December when an independent review board will present their findings from the CDR, a gathering known as a key decision point. They'll go through their review of the CDR, present any findings or issues that need to be addressed, and then we'll make a recommendation if we should proceed with the project, Nickel said. Based on the results from the CDR, no show-stopping issues were identified and the pace of assembly work on the X-59 is already ramping up. I think now the rubber is really hitting the road as we have dozens of parts coming in each week that we've completed the design engineering on and will be ready for installation, said Mike Bonanno, a Lockheed Martin aerospace engineer who is the company's vehicle lead for the X-59. We're on track to meet all the key performance requirements of the airplane, including those driven by its shape, which is so essential to the mission of the X-59, Bonanno said.